Hello friends, today we have a new hand blender by Philips. This is the first hand blender which is made for Indian needs and is also made in India. This hand blender has got a stainless steel rod and it has got two extra blades for whipping as well as whisking. Plus Philips claims that you can use this hand blender for blending ingredients continuously for 20 minutes. So that's quite interesting. Looking at the other side of the box, there are few key features mentioned. Firstly, this hand blender comes with a 250 watt powerful motor. It has got a stainless steel blending arm cup and with a single trigger operation, which is this one. It is easy to clean and it comes with a 2-year warranty. Since it has got a stainless steel arm cup, so it is rust free and we can use it for blending both hot and as well as cold dishes. The model number of this hand blender is HL1655 and the MRP is 1695 rupees. So let's open the box and see how does the actual hand blender looks like. So this is our hand blender. I must say I really like the design. Just look at this. Nice grooves. The shape of the body is very attractive. And the grip is quite comfortable. It is very convenient to hold the blender in your hand because of this curvy shape here. This is the stainless steel rod and this is the stainless steel cup. This is rust free. This blade is removable. It comes with these two additional blades, one for whipping and one for whisking. It comes with a wall bracket which makes it convenient to store. So you can simply place the wall bracket like this and we can hold the blender like this. So it saves on the kitchen shelf space. Another additional benefit about this blender is that it comes with a single trigger button, which means that generally blenders come with an on and off switch. So you have to move the switch like this. However, in case of any accident, if you release the finger, then the blender automatically stops. So this is a really nice benefit of using this single trigger button here. So now I will show you how does it work. When I am using it, I can feel the power of this hand blender. It is quite powerful because of a 250 watt powerful motor here. So now let me use this blender to blend some ingredients. Here I am preparing tomato soup. It is quite hot. Usually we need to cool down the soup before using a blender, but in this case we can use this hand blender directly while the soup is still hot. So let me blend it. And my tomato soup is ready. So you can see how convenient it is to use this hand blender. You can use it for blending hot dals as well as any hot soup. And likewise you can also use this blender for cold dishes. So it is quite effective and very powerful too. I really like this hand blender, especially because of few reasons. First, this single trigger button, then this rust-free stainless steel rod and this beautiful shape which makes it very comfortable to use. It is certainly a value for money product by Philips in this price range. So if you are looking for a hand blender, then you can certainly go for this one. I have shared the best buy links in the description box below, so do check it out. I hope you liked today's video. Please do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.